Hey everyone, in this video, we'll take a look at the app marketplace on SigmaMind AI and how you can connect and manage apps from one interface. Let's see. So from your agent builder, you need to click here and then go to this manage tool app section. Here you will find a list of pre-built integrated apps that are ready to use. All you need to do here is add authentication. So for let's say if you want to use this cal.com, click on this. Here you can see we have added two action for you for getting a slots and booking appointment. So before using these two action, you have to configure authentication here. So click on the configure authentication. From here, you can see if you want to configure authentication using bearer token, API key, basic auth, you can do that as well. But for using those two action, we don't need to add any bearer token here. We just need to click on no auth and submit authentication. That's it. Now you can use these two action in your voice AI agent. Now let's say if you want to add any extra action here, you can do that as well. You just need to click on this add tool actions. Here, just pass the action name. Let's say I want to add action for reschedule a booking. Then I just need to give the name of the action, and if you want, you can give the description here. And all these information you can get from cal.com doc itself. If you're if you can see here, for reschedule a booking, we need to use this endpoint URL. And in header, we have to pass content type, Cal API version, and then in body, we have to pass these information. And the request method is post here. So let's copy this endpoint URL from and paste it here and make it this request method to post. Now we have to add header. Now we have to add one more value in header, Cal API version, and in body we have to pass these information. So you can pass the information in JSON itself, but I'm going to use this raw. Now if you want, you can pass all these start date in variable itself. We just need to pass this in curly braces. Same way you can pass this rescheduled by rescheduling reason, all this information in variable itself, and then click on submit. Now you can see here this action is added. You can now use this action as well in your AI agent. If you want to test any action here, you can do that. You just need to click on test and give all the values here that you have passed in a variable like end date, event type ID, and start date, and click on this test API. That's it. Now let's say if you want to use any other app which is not present in this list, so that you can also do. You can add your own custom tool or app here. You just need to click here and give the name of app here. Let's say I'm giving the Calendly and click on submit tool app. If you want, you can add description as well. And that's it. You can see Calendly is added here. You have to just pass the configure authentication same way we passed for cal.com. Just make sure you follow the Calendly documentation here. So whatever app you are adding, just follow their documentation itself. And you can add action as well in the same way we added action for cal.com. That's it. So from here itself, you can add app, add action, and test the action. So that's the app marketplace on SigmaMind AI. So try it out and start building smarter voice AI agent in minutes. Thank you.